What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tua, and today I'm here in Long Beach, California for the JCCS show tomorrow. I'm here a little bit early today just to set up my booth because it's either that or I have to wake up early in the morning at 6:30 to come set up. And you know, it's gonna be really busy because everyone's trying to roll in. So I decided to come out a day early just to set up along with other people that are setting up over there as well. I'm gonna do a walkthrough in a minute after I finish setting up my booth. Basically at Toyota Fest I was down there, but for JCCS I'm over the other end right here on the west end of the JCCS show. And this is the booth set up early tonight. I'm gonna drop it down because it is raining and it's gonna be windy. I'm very glad that maybe it's meant to be. I'm under a tree, so that makes it really easier to kind of protect the rain. And plus, if tomorrow it gets hot, at least we have the shade. And plus I like it too because I have this space right here. We can put some chairs right here and just hang out. I wish I brought a broom. I would have swept all this right here, but that's cool because tomorrow when Nick and his family comes, we all can hang out right here and have a space right here to walk around. Because at the Toyota Fest my booth was right to the curb right here, so everyone was bunched up inside the booth. But now we have this right here, the car's gonna be over here, and then we have another booth over here, but then there's plenty of space to walk around, so which is cool. All right, so now I'm done setting up. I'm gonna put the tent down, and then I'm gonna do a quick walk around and see who's here to set up already. Hello everyone. Hello. How you guys doing? Busy, huh? Okay, so this is JCC. Huh? Esteban, huh? Yeah. Alright guys, so if you're subscribed to EOT's YouTube channel for Josh, you probably remember in one of his episodes he bought this Skyline from somebody, and then there was Hot Wheels hidden in the trunk, and then he put it up for sale on Instagram, and then one of my friends tagged me, and then I was just too late. I was just like, man, I missed this opportunity. It was listed for $55K, but I was just too late. But today I see it here at the JCCS. This is the one that was Josh on his YouTube channel. See these guys right here. I remember watching the episode and it was these guys. All right, man, see you tomorrow. Yep. Hey Joji, how you doing? Working, huh? Yep. Oh man, this is Joji, good friend. Probably a Z right here. You can tell by the little slant nose right here. And they probably got some motors in behind these right here. Motor stands. That's probably Datsun Z as well. G nose for sure because it has that smooth front end right here. So definitely a G nose right here. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. It's raining a little bit more now. So earlier it kind of stopped, and then I thought that was cool, but now it's starting to rain a little more now. So I'm gonna go back to my booth. I'm gonna wait for Nick because Nick is towing his Starlet here tonight. I'm assuming they are making body panels for Datsun Z's. How you guys doing?
Hey, good thanks. How are you?
You guys from California? Arizona?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, long drive.
Long drive. Yeah. I thought Fresno was long, but you guys are longer.
Yeah. Well, just a little bit. Fresno's probably 7 hours, right?
About 6 hours, yeah.
Okay, yeah. It was about 7 for us.
Wow. Yeah. That's cool. I'm right there, so I'll probably hear it.
Oh, cool. Yeah, what are you?
I'm at the Hitobon booth. I just sell t-shirts, merchandise.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, good.
I got some Datsun Z shirts too, so come by, check it out tomorrow.
Absolutely. We'll have to buy a couple shirts from you. Thank you.
Yeah, and then check it out, and then you know, I'll definitely come back and do some more filming yours.
Sounds good.
Yeah. All right. Yep. I wonder what's behind under that thing right there. That shape right there is pretty sick. It has a little notch right there. I know it has some autonomy wheels right here. So I think I'm thinking something like a Z. No, because these are the rear view mirrors right here, and the front. Oh, this is probably the Kinmary. We'll just have to wait tomorrow and see what kind of car this is. It has an odd little shape to it, because it has a slant right here, and then it comes down and it's straight. We'll see tomorrow. I'm gonna close this gate right here because my booth is right here, so I don't want anybody to have some funny ideas, you know. Good morning. It's really early. The sky is pretty cloudy, but you know, at least it's not raining. So we got all the cars pulling in already, parking that side, just waiting to get in. But anyways, just got here, parked my car in a vendor spot, and I'm about to walk right in. It's gonna be an exciting day. This is nice, man. Very cool, man. Very nice, man. Very nice. Very nice, my friend. Looks good. So, Rob.
Yeah, Marina.
Good to see you out here, man. I'm right there. Hit the bond right there. Looks good, man. I like the old school equipped rims too. Yeah. Good, man. Yep. Man, I'm not even working no more.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do too, yeah. Add me later, dude. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Alright. You're not alone though. I got one guy over behind you. Good. Today is show day, and this is the line right here, and it goes all the way around. Still gotta go all the way down there, and then they can enter from all the way down there. So this is considered very far, and it's a lot of people. So yep. What's up, Rob?
Hey, how you doing again?
You too famous guy. Yeah. This is Rob.
Once again, judging has started.
Oh shoot!
You're not by your vehicle and you'd like to.
For those who don't know, the heart wheels, a lot of them were made back in the days by either work or NK. So these particular low-end hearts were made by NK.
Wow.
So I had them recently rebuilt by Sensei 6. Shout out to Sensei 6.
Yep.
They did a great job doing the step lift from 18 to 19. You know, we did a little 2-inch lip. Just keep the period correct.
Yeah.
You know, I wanted to keep it encapsulated in the era. So, you know, this is a time capsule.
Wow.
That I try to emulate what the Admiration like brochures look like.
Yeah, yeah.
Do the final things on the interior. Like I'm piecing together rear reclining seats.
Oh, that's sick.
This is a Japan option.
No massage?
Yeah, we gotta customize that.
Yeah.
Since I last saw you, we did the JDM center console.
Oh wow, yeah.
We just have to color match it a little bit, but it has that rare card holder.
Wow.
Wow, that's sick.
Even the page is still there.
It's got the pager. It's no service.
All right, guys. So we have Josh and Mark come from all the way from Oregon in this Infiniti M30 right here.
Yes.
And how was the drive down here?
It was really hot.
It was really hot.
Yeah,
now it's raining now, huh?
Yeah, we went through all the weather.
We came from Portland.
Four season, huh? Wow.
Yeah.
How long you guys stay down here? Just for the show only, or?
We're gonna go back tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
And it was like 18 hours, huh?
Yeah, we split it into a couple days.
Yeah, 3 days.
Wow. Yeah, I remember driving to Portland. It took about almost 14 hours from Fresno to over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was insane.
Yeah, it was 1,100 miles.
But once you pass California, it's all forest and nice and beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
If you break it up, like we stopped in San Francisco.
Okay.
And like stayed a night. So if you break it up.
Yeah, sure. So what made you guys decide to come down in this Infiniti right here?
We're from Southern California here, so we just moved up to Portland about a year ago.
So you're pretty familiar
So
with
Yeah,
it.
we've been in the show before.
But I've been wanting to show this car since I got it. So.
Excuse me?
It won't last. So you guys are selling remanufactured?
I thought this line was for you, Joji.
I wish, man.
I know, I was like, dang!
Yeah,
What are you selling here, Joji?
We're just a Toyota Fest outlet for now.
I know, I was like, I saw the line, and I saw Joji, I was like, what is he selling here? Alright guys, so I just saw some Fresno Hmong people. So we got Jerry and Peter here. And they're hella balling. They're buying
86 owner right here.
they're buying all the autonomy stuff. So I'm so glad to see some Fresno folks here. See ballers.
Center cap too, right?
I know.
Center cap, baby. Silver discontinued.
I know. These guys here just buys. But I'm so glad to see some Fresno folks here though.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah. Yep.
Good to see you guys.
Yep. All right, just want to show you guys the line again. So earlier, when I was down there, and I was pointing to you guys where the line went, it goes all the way around and it comes around the whole block and through right here. This is the only entrance to the JCCS. This is Toyo's car right here. Among other things, this is the man, you got like a little paradise going on here.
Hey, man, you're better.
Yeah.
It's 130 pounds.
I can feel a little breeze. Check out this GTS. That's what I need right there. I need that steering wheel for my GTS. I'm even thinking about getting these stock rims and 3-piece it for the GTS someday. Wow, that's pretty clean right there. These are going for like $200-300 now, just a clear lens, just $300 per side. That's crazy, you know. I was looking at eBay, and they're about $300 per piece. Another Starlet. This one's totally stock form. Cressida. with the Inky's rims with the Toyota cap on it. Even got the cushion seats in here. Check out the cushion door panels. Now that's clean. Saw this badass 300ZX right here, Z31 body, and Xavier is the owner. What attracted me was the police lights right here, the Japanese police lights, right?
TSA were good enough to let me just carry it all the way from Japan to over here.
Oh, for real?
So I give them props.
All right. So real Japanese police lights from Japan, and
that would be correct.
Yeah. What inspired you to create this? Actually,
it's been a project for like probably 15 years. That in my head I've always wanted to do something different, unique. I've always been a unique car guy. And going from a magenta paint job, going to a hot rod, Japanese white wall car, to the police car. Finally, I was able to start getting, you know, the police lights, the sirens. If you see inside, the sirens over there.
Yep.
Police lights in the front, and you know, the little things here and there. So by little.
Why did you choose a Z31 body instead of the 240 SX or 240Z? Z? You know?
I've been a Z31 owner since '94.
This one right here?
Nah, not this one in particular. But originally from '94, my first Z31.
Okay.
And ever since then, I got stuck with them.
Okay. And you've just been a big fan of this body style, and it's just been added, huh?
Yeah, the fact that back in the days, back in the '90s, there wasn't that many. And I always like to have something different, be a little bit different. A Z31 was the best example. Cars that are not loved as much as the S30s, S130s, Z32s. So Z31 was the perfect car for me.
Are these lights hooked up, or they're just for show?
They're hooked up.
They're hooked up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay, cool. Even the siren and everything.
Even the sirens.
Wow. So what else is from the motherland, the parts?
Pretty much everything.
Pretty much everything?
Pretty much everything.
Is the motor swapped, or is it still stock motor?
The motor is the only thing that's actually from a Nissan Gloria. So you could say it is from Japan.
Swapped,
it is swapped, yeah. So we're talking from the side markers, obviously the watts, the interior as well, right-hand drive, even the beer. Was
this car a right-hand drive before you got it, or
it
was
was
it
actually a US? I did everything myself. Whether it's perfect or crappy, it's all been done in the garage.
Wow. Okay. So how long you had this car here?
This one here since 2004.
2000. Wow.
Yeah. So that's
been a while, huh?
Pretty good amount of time.
Okay. Are you here in the Long Beach area or LA area or
Riverside area?
Riverside.
Yep.
So you drove this car from Riverside?
Yeah. It's not that far. So
okay.
It wasn't that bad.
So it looks kind of low. Is it on airbags or is it?
No, it's a stance coilover system.
Stance coilovers?
Yes.
Okay. Did you drop it lower when you got here, or you just you drove it like this?
No, that's the way I drive it.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, for me, there's no point on having airbags. Not that I'm baggy, but I guess even my Mercedes doesn't have airbags.
Wow. Okay, so being on the right-hand side, do like the police give you a hard time sometimes?
Not yet, so that's good.
Maybe because you have this.
No, no, believe me, I gotta take it off, alright?
Oh, so you take it off when you actually drive it?
When I drive it on the streets, yeah, I'll take it off.
Okay.
Yeah, why risk it? You know, why give them a hard time?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't want to get in their bad side. So
Well, this is pretty sick right here. What's your future plan for this car here? Anything else?
Once I'm done with this, it's gonna be RB.
RB? Wow.
That's my final goal.
No, that's gonna
RB, and then I'll be contemplated that I'm completed with it.
And any future projects?
R31 Skyline wagon.
Okay.
Next year maybe.
Wow.
And other lowriders.
Okay. Okay. How long you been in the car industry as a car enthusiast?
94, 95.
94, 95?
Yeah.
Wow. guys, so JCCS is finally over 2022. There is just so much cars that I wish there was 2 days instead of just 1 day because so much is soaked in. But it was a great show. Lots of 240Zs. Nissan section right here. Time went by so fast, it's already closed already. So head back to my booth, start packing up because this is it. All right guys, so I'm here with my friend Toyo that just placed for his Celica Gen 1. So how do you feel?
Speechless. I don't even know what to say, man.
Yeah, the long drive is worth it, huh?
All that bullshit, the rain,
the dust. Did you see that big old dust when we were coming down 405?
Yeah.
I know, I saw that, the big old dust. I was like, oh shoot, Toyo not gonna like that.
I was all stressed and now this makes it worth a while.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Drive safe back home. This is the best color for a Skyline, dude. scraping, scraping. That's clean, bro. Alright guys, so the show is finally over and I got my truck all packed up, got everything in there, and so I'm ready to go back to the hotel and then relax, take a shower, because it is humid here in Long Beach. But I'm just glad it's not raining, because if it rained it would have sucked, because there is no shelter, so everyone that came to the show would have been soaking wet. But I'm glad it didn't rain. It just drizzled here and there, but it was cool. So right now the show is over, everything's already cleared up, ready, almost all the vendors left, and pretty much we're good for 2022. So next year I will definitely bring my 85 Celica and my MK3. I'm gonna buy double the space so I can park both of my cars and have my merchandise plus my automotive detail products. And so definitely looking forward to 2023 when I'm more prepared. 2022 was all about learning how the show circuit works, and so I did learn a lot. And so next year I am ready to tackle 2023 and bring out my show cars and just have fun, you know, and hopefully I get to do it full time.